Hello, we're playing the game plus or minus 10 today. So let's read the directions together. It says build the number shown on the number card with cubes. Add or take away the number of cubes shown on the plus or minus cards. Scroll down to record each round. So we're starting with a number card. So let's click to find out what number we're building to start. We're going to build the number 32. So 32 we know has 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And how many ones? 2 ones. All right. If I wanted to, I could double check if I wasn't sure by counting by tens and then counting by ones. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. All right, I've built the number 32. Next, I need to flip the change card. So the change card will say plus 10 or minus 10. If it says plus 10, we need to carry another 10 tower over here. Right? That's a lot easier than adding 10 more cubes. Now that I've built the number and added 10 more, I'm ready to count how many there are altogether. So we could look at this and just see how many tens and how many ones, or you could count by tens. I see 4 towers of 10 here, and I know 4 tens is the same as 40. 40, 41, 42. So 32 plus 10 equals 42. Now I have to scroll down and record that down here. So that was a plus 10, right? So we started with 32 plus 10 equals 42. All right, let's press this button, start over, to clear the board. Click yes, and we'll draw a new card. So this goes into the discard pile, and we'll draw a new card, 30. So let's build the number 30. This is easy peasy because when we built the number 32, all we did was this and the ones, and guess what? The number 30 has 0 ones. So to build the number 30, we just have to drag 3 towers of 10. So we're all done building our number. Now let's find out if we're adding 10 or taking away 10. Adding 10 again. So plus 10 means drag a 10 tower over, and let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 10 towers, which means we have 40 cubes. Once again, we'll scroll down here. We started with 30, we added 10, and now we have 40. I'll click start over, and yes, and let's go again. All right, 18. To build 18, I have 1 tower of 10 and 8 ones. Oops. You don't have to connect the ones if you don't want to. Sometimes it's easier to see how many ones you have if you're not connecting them. So I'm just going to go like this so it doesn't take as long. 7, 8. And I like to put them in rows like this so I can easily see 4 plus 4 equals 8 to double check my work. All right, now let's see. What are we doing? Oh, adding 10. You know what? I think I want to, there we go. I want to take 10 away. So when you're taking 10 away, you're going to drag 1 10 tower over here, okay? This is kind of like the takeaway pile. So this is what's left. We started with 18. If we're taking away 10, we dragged a 10 tower away. How many ones are left? 8 ones. So 18 minus 10 equals what? 18 minus 10, let's write that down here, in the minus 10 column. 18 minus 10 equals 8. All right. You can keep working, pressing starting over. Yes. You can keep drawing cards from here, drawing the change cards here, building numbers here, and recording down here until you fill in both columns.